Okay, so update lang, hindi ako gano'n ka-productive pa rin as usual, distractions, pero okay lang. So, magpu-push through tayo 'no, tawag dito, um, masasabi ko lang, nilista ko yung araw ko 'no, I need to be better and this week is, focus tayo ulit 'no. Ang gusto kong maisabuhay sa'kin 'no, personally is matanggap and I cannot, I want to accept that I'm really at a lower level when it comes to production and overall work because of my certain circumstances, no, my habit and my environment also. Although I have the best environment ever to prosper, which I'm very thankful for. So, ang masabi ko lang, um, ita-take advantage natin 'to 'no. Um, I want to take advantage of this and be better, you know, just be a better person overall. And ang gusto ko sabihin is wag ako mapagod, no? Wag kang mapapagod. Kahit ilang weeks ang lumipat, ilang araw ang lumipat tuloy. Lumipas, as long as we want to be better, I think it's enough, no? But of course, you need to be smart about it. Kagaya ko, unfortunately, paulit-ulit ako. I make some mistakes repeatedly. I don't learn from my mistakes as much, no? I really need to be better on that. And I also need to again remember that this is a process, no? This is a lifelong process. Ang maganda naman dito on the bright side once na natuto tayo, for sure magiging okay na lahat eh, 'di ba? Parang gitara lang din 'yan, no? Or ibang mga work na hindi pa tayo sanay sa simula, pero once na natutunan na natin siya, eh, madadalian tayo sa mga susunod na araw, 'di ba? I want to approach it like that. Kasi currently, to be very transparent, my issue is my attitude, my emotions, my uh impulses, and yeah, just overall being late, 'di ba? Uh, I'm working on it. And again, as long as hindi tayo susuko kasi unfortunately nandito ako sa situation wherein um hindi talaga ako puwedeng sumuko unang-una. Pangalawa, hindi talaga ako normal yata, I think. I just based on my evaluation, I would say yung standard na gusto kong maging, eh, malayo 'no, sobrang layo talaga. So, kailangan kong mag-unti-unting matuto 'no, na ang gusto ko talagang maging actually is kapag may sinabi ako gagawin ko, eh, which is hindi ako palaging gano'n, unfortunately. I'm trying and will, just continue to be like that 'no, to build myself kasi, ah, hindi ka rin sure bakit ako gano'n, eh. It's either actually kung iga-ground natin siya sa being objective 'no, in science, something like that. I think it's, tawag dito, maaaring dahil 'to sa ano, um, hindi ko siya kino-compute 'no. Maaaring once na na-compute ko ang isang bagay or 'pag nagsasalita ako, hindi ko siya masyadong, like vague 'no. Hindi ako sure, sasabihin ko lang siya pero hindi ako sure 'no, ta's hindi siya matutuloy most of the time. And it, enforces or bini-build niya tuloy yung identity of me na 'pag may sinabi hindi ko sinusunod 'no, which is not good. It's really not a good character trait, unfortunately. As much as I love or I'm trying to be professional, uh, I'm really struggling. But again, I'm aware na since bata ako ganito na ako and I'm very immature on that part. Gusto ko mag-mature pa. And again, I think, I'll just train, 'no? Repetition, awareness, and just being smart overall. I think, makakatulong 'yun. Hindi pa rin ako tapos sa listing video.